All right. This is going to be an intro lesson on this song. All right. All Along the Watchtower. Originally written by Bob Dylan, and then remade, covered by Jimi Hendrix. And then once Jimi Hendrix did his amazing version of the song, not too long after Bob Dylan recorded his version, by the way, Bob Dylan apparently started to play All Along the Watchtower like Jimi Hendrix in concert. So it actually influenced Bob Dylan. It's basically these three chords. Let's not go into how Bob Dylan did it originally. He did it with acoustic guitar. Jimi Hendrix did it with electric, and obviously for guitar players, his version is more interesting because he had these really cool solos with the wah-wah pedals and everything. So this is just going to be a little, just on these chords. Now, he's playing a C sharp minor, and then a B and an A major. Okay, now you could play it like this, like. Or you could play it down here. There must be some kind of way out of here, said the Joker to the thief. There's too much confusion, I can't get no relief. Businessman, may drink my wine, I'm gonna take my herb. You get the idea. Now, there's other places you could play it as well, but these would be the two main on these 12 frets of where you could play these chords. C sharp minor is either here generally, or it's up here. Now, you might have seen me play it like this. This is an easier way to play it. And I think Jimi does play it like this. At least in certain parts of the song, he plays it like that. As opposed to it's a little harder, depending on your playing ability to play these chords like that. So you can play it like this. These chords are a little easier. The same chords. All right, so now the strumming, I may not be doing the strumming exactly right. That's something you have to listen and sorry. Oh, I was playing the wrong. Those chords have been used elsewhere in rock and roll as well. As I say, 3 chords in the truth. So that's that song. That's all we're gonna do for that song. That's just to get you started. And obviously, you might want to learn the solos and all of that. Let's do another song by Bob Dylan. This one is Like a Rolling Stone. So this song it was done with a band and electric instruments, including the organ. Just so fine, through the bumps of dime in your prime, didn't you? This one is a lot more straightforward. C, D minor, E minor, F, and G. C, D minor, E minor, F, G. Once upon a time you dressed so fine, through the bumps of dime in your prime, didn't you? Let's get the next people called, said, beware dog, bound to fall. You thought that they were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging your next meal. How does it feel? Right, 3 chords from the truth, the C, F, and G. And then the other chords, again, it's just a combination of those chords, the C, the D minor, the E minor, the F, and the G. Okay. That's something you can work on your own. That one's pretty straightforward, like I said. I have a song that's similar to that I'm going to record one of these days. It uses those same exact chords, and it goes like this. Enjoy, enjoy, we came. Enjoy, enjoy, we live. In sacred joy, we melt again. Enjoy, enjoy, we came. Enjoy, enjoy, we live. In sacred joy, we melt again. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Once upon a time you dressed so fine, through the bumps of dime in your prime, didn't you? You can see how same exact chords, and 2 different songs, very different songs. Anyway, if anything, this video is to highlight the genius of Bob Dylan and of course Jimi Hendrix as well. And I would say you can learn so much from listening and learning their songs. So much about songwriting and so much about the guitar. So I want to encourage you to, if you're watching this and learning something from this, to go back to the greats. And there's a lot of great music today as well. But they have left a body of work that would be very helpful, for those who are aspiring to greatness, to really learn from that. And I am doing that myself. All right, so keep on playing, keep on rocking. See you next time. Adios.